3DEXPERIENCE Works is a portfolio of design to manufacturing solutions handpicked by the team at SOLIDWORKS to help customers transform their design to manufacturing process, making it leaner, more efficient, and customer-focused. It lets you democratize your product information in entirely new ways, breaking down old barriers and replacing them with collaborative tools and workflows. The result? Increased agility, greater manufacturing efficiency, and the chance to turn market potential into actual growth. From customers and suppliers to designers and manufacturing, engineers to marketing professionals or CEOs, no matter where you fit into the product lifecycle, 3DEXPERIENCE Works makes staying ahead of the competition that much easier. Here's how it helped a Boston-based robotics firm achieve its full potential and will continue to support them as they grow. Founded in 2016, Square Robot creates inspection robots that are deployed to some of the Earth's harshest environments. The company is young and entrepreneurial. Its designers are among the best in their field, but are spread across the country, so they need collaboration solutions that can connect dispersed teams. It's why Square Robot wanted a cloud-based platform to house all their data, from design to manufacturing, allowing them to move faster as one team. But flexibility and cost were major factors. They needed a solution that could scale with their needs, without the costs that come with a big server infrastructure investment. 3DEXPERIENCE Works was the perfect fit. With it, Square Robot poised themselves for rapid growth, moving away from siloed applications and interfaces and bringing everything inside a cohesive digital innovation environment. Here's how it helped. When Square Robot switched to a cloud-based data management solution directly connected to SOLIDWORKS, every designer immediately knew who was working on what, eliminating the threat of one user accidentally overwriting someone else's data. Version control issues became a thing of the past because there's never any question about what data is correct. The whole project team, both internal and external, always has the right access to the right information at the right time, from anywhere in the world. And it can offer Square Robot so much more as they grow, from building initial project plans to managing the release and configuration of the final product. 3DEXPERIENCE Works can adapt and expand as they do, scaling up and down as needs change. With 3DEXPERIENCE Works, Square Robot are taking their first steps into a multi-domain, design to manufacturing collaboration environment, with a portfolio that's both versatile and adaptable. If they needed to increase simulation capabilities, they have instant access to SIMULIA, combining world-class technology with massive computational power. Whether they're making a one-off product or mass-producing thousands of units, SIMULIA will test in countless ways to be sure it performs exactly as expected under any circumstance. Square Robot is made up of hardcore SOLIDWORKS users. The products they create need to withstand the worst conditions Mother Nature can dish out, which is why they depend on industry-proven technology that's made to enable innovation and growth, while still blowing current market expectations out of the water. Their designers require flexibility because inspiration can strike at any moment. And having battle-tested solutions and predictable workflows for the rest of the team strengthens collaboration, which in turn can accelerate innovation and help continually evolve their products and processes. Should they need it, 3DEXPERIENCE Works can streamline Square Robot's design to manufacturing process and speed up production times. With its virtual manufacturing simulations, they can ensure every needed part will be manufacturable ahead of time, calling out potential problems early and avoiding production delays, generating long-term cost savings that lead to increased profits. And because it easily coordinates with vendors inside their supply chain, they can share information in real time, so everyone is making informed decisions based on data, not assumptions. SOLIDWORKS and 3DEXPERIENCE Works is making Square Robot's design to manufacturing process more streamlined and efficient. And their success is just a taste of what this expanded portfolio can offer. By connecting people, ideas, and data within one ecosystem, it improves collaboration and communication on every level, keeping every aspect of your business agile and efficient. so you get to market faster with the best products possible.